Samsung supporters have recently been pretty outspoken in their belief that the firm is not doing enough to change things up with its devices. Samsung has been pretty much sticking to a safe and steady strategy with its smartphones over the last several years. Sure, we get the typical modest advancements each year, but nothing that blows our heads, and the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 7 seem to be no exception. Samsung seems to have decided that 2025 isn't the year to go all in with game-changing specifications or features for its foldables. Instead, they're going slow and steady, concentrating on tiny improvements like increasing processing power and enhancing camera quality via software updates. According to rumors regarding the Galaxy S25, if you have a Galaxy S24, you may not feel like you're losing out on anything. The same may be true for their next-generation foldables. In a recent interview with South Korea's Thelek, a fast print executive hinted that we shouldn't expect any major changes with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 this year, and considering component suppliers like Fast Print are in the know, their insight holds some weight. Plus, if we look at Samsung's recent history, it's not surprising, but don't give up hope just yet. Big improvements might finally be on the way with the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 8 in 2026, so if you're interested in a Samsung foldable, wait until next year. The executive also said that Samsung expects to sell around 7 million units of foldables combined, implying that they are keeping expectations pretty low and are not banking on these foldables to have a significant impact in the market. Also, the Z Flip 7 and Z Flip Fan Edition will be equipped with the Exynos 2500 processor, while the Z Fold May 7th get the Snapdragon 8 Elite, but we haven't heard anything official regarding the Fold 7 yet. Samsung seems to be pleased with sticking to a slimmer, more polished version of the foldable experience, like the special edition announced last year. Nothing too crazy this time. Unlike other manufacturers that made a big splash in the foldable market last year, such as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and OnePlus, Samsung hasn't done anything revolutionary to grab the lead with their foldables, but there's still time for surprises, right? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.